everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Daily, the place where learning English feels warm, friendly, and just a little bit funny. I'm Olivia.
And I'm Jack. Hi, Olivia. Hi, everyone. It's a good day to learn something new.
It is. And Jack, how are you this morning? Awake? Alive? Functional?
Well, I'm awake. Let's start there. My eyes are open. My brain is slowly joining the party. I had my coffee, so right now I'm about 70% human.
70% is enough. Coffee is basically your upgrade button.
Exactly. And you? How are you doing today?
Oh, I'm great. Some mornings feel heavy, but today feels light. I had a good breakfast, the sun was gentle, and everything smelled like a fresh day.
A good morning is powerful. And speaking of mornings, that is actually our topic today. We're talking about daily routines. Our mornings, afternoons, evenings, the whole roller coaster.
Yes. People think routines are boring, but actually, routines are a window into someone's life. And they're perfect for practicing simple English.
Right. Everyone has a morning story. Some are peaceful, some are chaotic, some involve coffee, some involve crying.
Or pressing the snooze button 12 times.
Well, let's not point fingers, Olivia.
All right. Before we dive in, dear listeners, if you're enjoying this lesson, hit that like button and subscribe to Easy English Daily. It helps the channel grow.
And of course, share this episode with a friend who wants to learn English too. We appreciate you.
Okay, Jack, let's start at the beginning. Morning. The time of day when some people smile and others crawl out of bed like confused turtles.
Which one are you?
I'm the confused turtle.
I knew it! Tell us your morning situation.
Well, my alarm rings, I open one eye, I think, no, impossible, the universe is wrong, and then snooze.
Oh, yes, the famous snooze button. The magical button that lies to us.
Exactly. It says 5 more minutes. But those 5 minutes turn into, 10, 15, 20.
Until panic wakes you instead of the alarm.
Yes. Suddenly I'm like, oh no, the world is on fire. I'm late.
My morning is a bit different. I wake up early, before the sun. I like the quiet. No traffic, no noise, just peace.
That sounds civilized.
I walk to the kitchen like a wise old monk, and then coffee. Strong, dark, dramatic coffee.
Dramatic is the right word. Jack's coffee could wake up a sleeping mountain.
Exactly the point. And you, how do you like your coffee?
Soft, gentle, a little milk, a little warmth, comfort in a cup.
That explains why you need the snooze button.
Maybe yes.
So, after coffee comes breakfast. What do you usually eat?
Something real, something proper. I love breakfast. Yogurt with fruit, or maybe eggs.
Eggs. You're starting the day like a champion.
It's simple. What about you?
Toast.
Just toast?
Toast is honest food.
Toast is fast food.
Exactly. I'm often late, remember? No time to cook eggs and pose by the window like you.
Hey, I don't pose.
You absolutely do.
Fine, maybe I do a little.
After breakfast? Shower time?
Yes, a hot shower. Without it, I remain 70% human forever.
Same. A hot shower wakes the soul. Then comes the hardest part.
Choosing clothes.
Yes. Every morning, I open my closet, I look inside, I see 50 options, and then I think, I have nothing to wear.
I don't have that problem.
Because your closet looks like a blue and gray rainbow.
It's called efficiency. I pull out a blue shirt, boom, done. No thinking required.
I admire it. I really do. How do you go to work, Olivia? Do you drive?
No, I take the bus.
The bus. May the odds be ever in your favor.
It's crowded, always crowded. But I put in my headphones and listen to music or a podcast.
A good podcast?
Sometimes Easy English Daily.
Smart choice. I drive my car. That part is nice. The traffic part, terrible.
Traffic is the enemy of joy.
Exactly. Stop, go. Stop, go. And everyone is angry for no reason.
At least you can listen to loud music.
Oh, yes. My car becomes a private concert.
So, we arrive at work. What's the first thing you do?
I drink more coffee.
Of course you do.
Then emails. So many emails. Endless emails. A waterfall of emails.
Me too. I read people's problems, I answer questions, I help. I enjoy my job, but yes, emails everywhere.
Then meetings. So many meetings.
Meetings are where time goes to die.
Exactly.
Then comes something beautiful, lunch.
Yes, food is the reward for surviving the morning.
Do you bring your lunch?
Never. I buy it. I walk to a cafe, get a sandwich, take a little walk.
I bring mine. A salad or sandwich from home. It's cheaper, healthier.
And requires waking up earlier, which we know you do not do.
Fair point.
Then comes the afternoon, the sleepy zone.
Yes, around 3 p.m. something happens. My brain says, goodbye.
Exactly. My eyes want to close.
Do you drink more coffee?
Sometimes. Or tea. Or anything that keeps me awake.
I eat an apple.
I eat a cookie.
A cookie is happiness food.
Exactly.
And then, finally, the workday ends.
Best moment of the day.
I get on the bus again. Tired, quiet.
I drive home. The traffic is bad again, but this time I don't mind because I'm going home.
Yes, home means comfort, peace.
And pets.
The moment I open my door, I say hello to Max, my dog. He jumps, he wiggles, he is pure joy.
My greeting is different. I open the door, and Bella, my cat, looks at me like, you again.
Cats are the CEOs of the house.
Yes, Bella owns everything. I am just the human staff.
Yes, Max thinks I'm the queen. Bella thinks you're the intern.
Exactly.
After that, I change clothes. Finally, comfortable clothes.
Same. Goodbye, blue shirt. Hello, soft t-shirt.
Comfort is the real luxury.
True.
Do you cook at home?
Sometimes, but I am a terrible cook.
Define terrible.
I burn things.
Check, how do you burn water?
I don't know. It just disappeared. The pot was empty. It was chaos.
Oh no.
So usually I cook simple things. Pasta, eggs, or I order pizza.
Ah, yes, the universal dinner solution.
Pepperoni, my favorite.
I enjoy cooking. I cut vegetables, play soft music. It relaxes me.
We live in different universes.
After dinner, I walk Max. The night is quiet. Sometimes the stars are bright.
That sounds peaceful. At my home, Bella sits on me like a furry dictator.
She loves you.
No, she loves sitting on soft things. I am one of those things.
Do you watch TV at night?
Yes, I love comedies. After a long day, I need to laugh.
Sometimes I watch TV, sometimes I read.
Reading? At night? My brain says no thanks at night. What time do you sleep?
10 p.m. I'm a morning person, remember?
Right. I go to bed late. Always. Midnight, sometimes later.
And then you suffer in the morning.
Yes, my life is a circle of poor decisions.
You're honest. I like that. So, Jack, we survived the morning, we drank the coffee, we answered the emails, we complained about meetings. Now let's move into the afternoon, the land of yawning.
Yes, the land of heavy eyelids, the land of slow time, the land where your brain says, I need a nap, please, but society says, no, you need productivity.
Isn't that tragic?
There really is. Let's be honest, nobody, absolutely nobody, is at their best in the afternoon.
Except children. Children have unlimited energy.
True. Children are like little batteries that never die. Adults, on the other hand, spend the afternoon negotiating with themselves. If I finish this email, I can reward myself with a cookie.
That's you.
Of course it's me. Cookies are my currency.
Anyway, dear listeners, the afternoon is a great place to learn new vocabulary because many people want to describe their afternoon tasks. I work, I study, I take a break, I get tired, I drink tea, I continue working, I go outside for some fresh air.
Yes, fresh air, the natural energy booster. When I'm tired in the afternoon, I like to take a short walk outside.
And when I'm tired in the afternoon, I like to pretend I'm not tired while slowly dying inside.
Such elegance.
Thank you. Let's talk about after work. When the workday ends, people step into their real life, the life they choose.
Yes, after work is the time when people finally escape the boss, escape the emails, escape the fluorescent lights that make everyone look slightly sick.
After work, people do all kinds of things. Some go to the gym, some go shopping, some go to language classes, some go straight home.
Straight home is my favorite option.
Of course it is.
But let's go step by step. I think your after-work routine is more interesting than mine.
Well, after work, I usually take the bus again. It's crowded, always crowded. But the sunset through the window is beautiful sometimes.
A poetic bus ride.
Yes, and I listen to relaxing music. Soft piano, maybe. Something to wash away the day.
That sounds peaceful. My after-work routine, less poetic. When work ends, I walk to my car like a tired cowboy in an old movie. Slow steps, dramatic music playing in my head.
Dramatic?
Very. Then I sit in the car, close my eyes for 5 seconds, and mentally prepare for the battlefield.
Ah, yes, traffic.
Traffic. Endless. Angry drivers everywhere. Someone always honks. Someone always drives 1 kilometer per hour.
I understand your pain.
But eventually, I make it home. And I open the door, and there she is.
Bella the cat?
Yes, Bella the Queen. She walks slowly towards me, stops, looks deeply into my eyes, and then turns away. Zero enthusiasm.
That's love.
Is it? Because Max gives you a whole festival when you come home.
That's because Max is a dog. Dogs celebrate life. Dogs celebrate you. Dogs celebrate air.
Cats celebrate nothing.
Cats celebrate silence and personal space.
Cats celebrate judgment. Pure judgment.
So now we enter the evening. Dinner time. The best time.
The feeding hour.
Yes, the feeding hour. What do you usually eat for dinner?
Well, as we said earlier, my cooking skills are limited, so I keep it simple, very simple, like pasta with hope or eggs with regret.
Poor Jack.
I try. I really try. The last time I cooked vegetables, they turned into dust.
Dust.
Yes, they evaporated. They became memories.
Okay, that is impressive in a disturbing way.
Thank you.
My dinners are calmer. I chop vegetables, play soft music, and cook something simple.
You chop vegetables? Like, willingly?
Yes, Jack. It's relaxing.
We are truly from separate universes.
Evening is the time when you finally get to be yourself. No deadlines, no meetings, just you and your life.
Yes, evenings are the reward. So, what do you usually do?
Sometimes I go for a walk with Max. The night air is cool. The sky is dark but soft. It clears my mind.
Walking at night sounds peaceful.
Then I read a book or make herbal tea.
Herbal tea, of course.
It's healthy.
My evenings are simpler. I sit on the couch. Bella sits on me like a furry paperweight. Then I watch TV.
Comedies?
Always. My brain can only handle happy things at night.
Reasonable. As the night gets older, I take a shower, brush my teeth, wash my face, all the usual things.
Yes, the classic checklist.
Then I turn off the lights, make my room dark and cozy.
Nice. My night routine is much simpler. I brush my teeth. I stare into the fridge for no reason. I close the fridge. I stare at the fridge again. I go to bed.
Why the fridge?
It comforts me.
What time do you usually go to bed?
Late. Always late. Midnight or 1 a.m.
Oh, Jack.
Yes. Yes. I know. And then I suffer the next morning.
You do. And I tell you to sleep early, but you never listen.
I have a complicated relationship with bedtime.
I can see that. I relax. I take a shower. I brush my teeth. I read a book. I watch a show. I check my phone. I go to bed. I fall asleep at time.
What do you do after work?
I go home and relax.
Do you cook dinner?
Yeah, sometimes.
What time do you go to bed?
Around 11 p.m. People think daily routines are boring, but really, routines show who we are, what we care about, how we live.
Yes. Routines are the rhythm of life. And describing them in English helps you talk about your real world.
Your mornings, your afternoons, your evenings, they tell a story.
And we hope today's lesson helped you tell that story more easily.
Thank you all for learning with us.
And remember, rest well, eat well, and learn English with Easy English Daily.